one-of-a-kind Oracle Challenger 3. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for none other than Mr. Shawn D. Tucker. I invite you to stand by as you are about to experience a demonstration of the most hardcore, down and dirty, hard-shot, outdoor aerobatics known to man. This is the second time Shawn has swung round. Now, upright, begins the hula. This is an innocent back to Air Show Center for another of his signature maneuvers. This is called rolling the pole. Shawn's going to roll the aircraft in one direction and now the shoulder roll in the opposite. Right now, Shawn's going to take a short break. Climb for some out. Finds him. He continues around the corner. Diving towards that second set. Getting low to the ground until passing underneath. Shawn eases that throttle forward. He's going to roll his way around. And then, while using only 70% of his available horsepower, he is going to stand his aircraft on its tail and bring it to a hover in front of him.
In 1992, Wayne Handley in 1996, and the National Aviation Hall of Fame inducted Shawn D. Tucker in the year 2008. Brian, back to you.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, as the propeller comes to a stop, let's get him up and out of the cockpit. Shawn D. Tucker and the Oracle Challenger 3.
Thank you again, Brian Norris. We want to thank, too, with all that Shawn had going on. He was
committed to a 3-point rudder-meter roll for you.
Now, I read the description, but I won't be able to keep up. You're legendary for originating Kakshava. Yeah. Why? Because it is, you might help Chuck.
Well, yeah, a lot of us would.